Hey, Max here. I am creative engineer at Zoo, and I would like to talk about reasoning. Reasoning what? Whenever you prompt anything in Zookeeper, like, for example, the first thing you will see is the reasoning. And this is the way for you as an engineer to track down like what exactly is happening in the head of Zookeeper. As Zookeeper thinks and reasons around, you can see and follow the logic, see the problems, and sometimes, and actually pretty often, it will help you to debug the problems. Because sometimes it will generate functions instead of feature tree. Sometimes it would place objects in the wrong spot without noticing it. So you might want to really understand the way it thinks. And to understand it, you can just follow the reasoning process. As you can see now, something is felt along the way, and the Zookeeper is thinking about it and trying to fix the problems. And whenever Zookeeper thinks it's almost done, it can make the snapshots. And looking at those snapshots, you can find out, is the view angle right? Or maybe Zookeeper is looking from the wrong side. It helps a lot if you would like to place things together, like fit one object into another and place two different parts together from different files. And whenever Zookeeper is ready, you can always go back to the reasoning in order to understand why things are the way they are. You can go all the way to the very beginning of the process and understand why there are 5 holes, why there is a hole inside, why the thickness is that, why is circular. All these questions can be found out just walking down the reasoning and expanding the parts and reading and trying to understand it and follow the logic. So, why do you need it? You need it in order to have a better control. You need it to understand how the Zookeeper thinks in order to debug and fix problems if they appear on the way, and Zookeeper is not aware of them. It can happen pretty often that things are not matching together. And then, if you look at the screenshots, at the snapshots that Zookeeper is doing along the way, you'll find out that it's looking from the wrong angle. All those little steps may help you along the path. So, whenever you feel Zookeeper does not understand you, or does something wrong, it is always a good idea to double-check the reasoning. And if you have any questions you don't understand about the reasoning, you are always welcome to share those questions in our Discord community or under this video, and our team will be super happy to help.